Access my Microsoft 365 apps 1. Welcome to M365 Professional. Your Microsoft 365 business subscription includes productivity apps that are essential for your business. Let's look at how to access them. For online apps, open a browser and go to Microsoft365.com. Select Sign In. Enter your work or school credentials, if prompted, and open the app launcher. Many of the most popular apps can be opened with one click. To access even more apps, select Explore all your apps. Popular apps are displayed at the top. To view additional Microsoft apps, select an app category, or All Apps, to display all of your available apps. To access additional apps such as third-party apps, return to the previous page. Select Get More Apps and search for the app. If you prefer to install apps locally on your device so they are available whether you are online or not, select Install and More. Install Microsoft 365 apps. Install Office. Then open File. Microsoft 365 apps will then be installed on your device. Once complete, select Close. To access your newly installed apps, open the Start menu and choose the app you want to open, or search for it if it isn't displayed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.